how to unsolder a soldered piece. So first I'm going to place a little bit flux where the solder is that I want to unsolder, and then place the fire and make it white. And then also now I'm going to hold the piece from the smallest piece. So if that was the smallest, I was going to hold it from here, but now it's here. And then lift it up and then bring to the melting point the solder. So it needs to, because flux gets slippery, I'm going to grab it better. And then I lift it up and place the fire, bring the melting point, and element of gravity does all the job. And now if you want to solder with another direction, just place it the way that you want it and fire again until the melting point of the solder comes there, and you solder it again.